We are in the middle of moving. We've been going for, how long we been going?
I don't know.
About a month. We're living out of this storage unit pretty much to come get our clothes and put our clothes up and take our clothes out. We living in the resort. So this is our whole house in the storage unit. Yeah, it has everything. What do you think about this?
I'm ready to get where we're going. Okay.
On to the ocean. See you in a minute. A lot of stuff right there. And this is our trunk. Yeah, that's our gas. Alright, that's our other guy. And it's time for us to go. Okay, here we go. We're gonna sign off owning some dirt in Palm Beach.
Let's go.
This is what our house looks like right now. Everybody. Oh, a little shaky. Well, this is the apartment right now. We're on our way to close. See you in a minute. We are doing a wire transfer at the bank. And I can't really show you too much of this because it's very personal, but I told you we'll bring you with us, so here we are at the transfer. Okay, see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so this is our realtor getting stuff out her car. Look at this.
Aww,
Oh my
so nice.
goodness. Thank you so much.
Happy home.
Thank you so much.
Kira. Hi everybody, so we just finished moving out, apartment 209 at the view at Water's Edge. There's the rest of my stuff right there. And this is us upstairs. Down here is a walkway. So here we go. If you're loving this footage, please hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for waiting 5 months for me. I am back. Here is a look at where I've been for 5 months. And this is our master bedroom ensuite. It has a bathroom. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath with walk-in closets for both bedrooms. And it was quite small compared to my home, but it was cozy and it was clean. And this is a 2-bedroom, so it was exactly $2,400 a month. And this is the view at Water's Edge, if you're interested. Okay, let's get on to the video, and I want to show you where we were. That's the view. This is our bedroom. What I really loved was the walk-in closet in the bathroom. The bathroom wasn't very spacious, but it had a lot of storage. So this is the bathroom that's off our main bedroom. There's the shower. And what I really didn't like, hello everybody. What I really didn't like was it was carpet. So in all the other apartments was hardwood floors, which was vinyl, but I would have took that over the carpet. And I did not like the stucco ceilings, but it, like I said, it had a clean paint job and it was very, very clean. I didn't see not one bug since I lived there, and it was very, very comfortable to live in for 5 months. Here's the kitchen, and it had granite brown countertops. Here is the pantry / washroom. It had plenty of storage for groceries or whatever you want to store in there. Me and Mr. Traveler stored our bikes in there as well. A washer and dryer came with it. Stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, garbage disposal. It was very comfortable. Here's our tiny little balcony that we sit on every day. I added the carpet at the bottom, and also you see the lavender broom out there. I had to have it because one of our neighbors would cook every day, and they love a lot of spices and curry. So I was sneezing and it was getting in my nose, so I would keep the lavender out there to diffuse the smells from my neighbor's cooking. And we would watch the ducks and birds every day from this view. It was a small little lake, but the lake went all the way around the complex, and it was actually attached to the ocean. There's a cute little light that we would turn on at night when we sit outside. It had blinds in each room. Hi, honey. Here's the second bath. It was a little spacious, a little bit more spacious than the other. There's one sink in here, plenty of storage, and a mirror. It was nice. Okay, so there's the tub, and there's the linen closet right outside the bathroom. Everything had wire shelving. And here's the second bedroom that we use for an office. Here's the view from the second bedroom, and it also had a walk-in closet as well. Both bedrooms had ceiling fans and wired shelving and stucco ceilings. That was it. Let's go outside. I'll show you what's outside.